That's your show of hands. So I'd like to know in this audience how many of us are from the pharmaceutical companies. Show of hands. Thank you. So we have quite an audience. Thank you so much for coming. So I would like to know, out of these people, how many of you are part of the organization in various decision-making authorities, or you're part of the operations team? Show of hands. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for coming. So we have quite an audience, and we'll try to make it the best that I can, and to my understanding, what SAP ERP can do for you, and what Spectrasoft and where it is today in the pharmaceutical industry. First, my title says business first and IT next. That is, any software, any technology, business comes first. To help you achieve success in your business. I will cover in this slide a little bit about the Indian pharmaceutical industry as what we have seen today, why we feel that today IT can add that value to grow. A lot of mid-sized enterprises, we see a lot of events like this in Bombay, in Baroda, in Ahmedabad, where large audience of pharmaceutical companies are all raring to go, take that next step ahead in today's enterprises. A lot of companies have seen the global growth. A lot of companies have seen their enterprise move from few crores to doubling, to triple their entire turnover. And I've seen SAP add that value. You take the company, pharmaceutical industry, how many of them are actually on SAP ERP? So we'll try and cover all those pieces and why Spectrasoft can add value to your organization. So as I'm talking about, a lot of pharmaceutical industries are developing new products, going to new geographies where they have never thought they would be able to go. Acquire new companies. Take that leap forward in their infrastructure, adding more people to the organization, adding more competency, adding more machine. That's why we have got more and more shows like this. So everybody here is trying to, take advantage of this growth, and we feel strongly we can add value. How? I'll cover in the following stages. Most of the top pharmaceutical companies, if you see on this slide, from medical equipment companies to pharma companies to formulation companies to APIs to bulk drugs, all those blue lines here stand for where they use SAP. GlaxoSmithKline, Sanofi, Aventis, Pfizer, J&J, Novartis, all these are big names. The next question that you have is, will it be applicable to me? Can I afford SAP? Well, things have changed since the years we have had, 10, 20 years since now. SAP has come a long way. A large 65 to 70% today in Indian enterprises, SAP's market is SME. And we are targeting all those SME companies with, 5 crore, 10 crore, 5 crore turnovers. And we have seen success there. There are lots of offerings that we have for you. Let's cover in the following stages what we have. These are some of the companies. There's no doubt that it's almost few percentage of their bottom line that they were able to afford and buy. You know what that person said? Mehul, I still remember. He said, I want a strong foundation for my company. I want a strong platform for my company to take advantage of the growth. And he went for it. Until date, I've seen so many companies, you take Heikel for example, Mr. Jay Hiramat knows about it. They've gone and invested on a lot of technologies, came back to SAP today. They're running on SAP. This is Cipla for you, Panacea Biotech. And everything that you see here, Cipla for example, they have reduced the lead time, response to customer. Today you get a lot of responses from, you have to react to a lot of customers. People ask you to manufacture X amount of drug in X date. Can you deliver to me? It took, for example, I'll give an example, Orchid Pharmaceutical and Chemicals. For them, for the sales guy to respond back to a customer query, it almost took 7 days to 15 days to get back to a customer whether I can deliver a particular drug or deliver a certain amount at a particular location. It took them 15 days to get back to a customer. In today's competitive environment, We can't afford that time. So SAP today has given them that edge where today they're able to respond back to a customer in 24 hours. How much I'll be able to produce, when will that product be delivered to you? So these are some of the examples. So in basically two segments that SAP can add value. One, to help you grow profitably. Two, to help you reduce cost. And that's our objective as SAP and Spectrasoft. What does Spectrasoft stand for and how it has been in existence? Spectrasoft has been catering to pharmaceutical industry for last 8 years. We are a group of domain experts who have come from pharmaceutical companies ourselves, have implemented SAP ourselves, and now taking SAP ERP to all the other companies. We have today over 70 customers under our belt where we have seen the solution actually translate into business benefits in terms of reduction of inventory, in terms of growing the revenue, in terms of reducing the receivables. So these are all the different things. We are the gold partner for SAP. We are the only partner today in India who has so much experience in the pharmaceutical industry. We are a certified SAP partner. Whenever you interact with any other SAP partners, you ask for that. Are you a certified SAP partner? So these are some of the credentials that we come with. We are a solution specialist. We are not generalist. We don't cater to every kind of industry. We only focus on pharmaceutical industry alone. Creating value and getting more profits. That's what end of the day we are trying to do. So when we talk about our value proposition, it is about industry specialization. It is about domain specialization in terms of the people that we have and a tool that is SAP to help you guarantee success in your business. Basically, these are the tangible benefits that we have seen. We have talked to a lot of companies post their SAP, what kind of advantages that they have seen. A lot of people talk about, this is a conservative figure, 8 to 12% advantage in terms of, reducing or savings for the company. You take your turnover, check 8 to 10% straight off, that's your return on investment. When we talk about Spectrasoft, 10 top reasons that I feel very strongly that why we specialize in what we do. We are the only certified SAP partner for life science vertical. Over 30 end-to-end implementation. When I talk about end-to-end implementation for pharma companies, it is right from the time that you develop a new drug in R&D to your manufacturing facility, to your CNF agents, to your ultimate, sales guys, to your customers. So the entire, the value chain will be able to automate for you. And business transformation. Obviously, it should translate into business benefit. We have been in this industry for long enough to able to guarantee success. In terms of regulatory compliances, a lot of people today talk about US FDA, MHRA in UK, CGMP, SGMP. All these terms are compliances. With SAP, you will be able to have those compliances. So you will be able to come out with COA, things like that, which earlier would take a long time for enterprises to maintain and manage and get certified. So Spectrasoft does come with a lot of responsibility. We have seen a lot of mid-market enterprises. We have got packaged offers at a price point which is more alluring to a lot of companies to take today. We have got commitment from our management. We have got presence in Indore. That's first and foremost very important. So you need a partner who can be at beck and call for you. In terms of the scope of software, scope of solution that we do, if you see, first and foremost is planning, manufacturing, your quality control, your inventory, your plant maintenance. All these are areas that we have got solutions for. SAP ERP kind of caters to every part of this area, starting from demand planning, production scheduling, your FDA compliance, your master recipes, the formulation drugs, your batch numbering automations, your order management, your inventory management, your quality control, your COA, your labeling, your stability study, your quality control. All these are scope that SAP caters. In terms of maintenance, you might, as a lot of chemical companies have a whole lot of plant maintenance equipments that you have to manage, because a lot of corrosion happens in a lot of companies. So we've got solutions that help you maintain preemptive maintenance, planned maintenance, things that help you get better return on your investment in your plant and machinery. Your finance, obviously, that's de facto standard. When you buy SAP, your finance is the best. Finance with the Indian flavor, that is your Indian taxes which are taken care of when you are in SAP. When we talk about